e Christos Amdudu coach adi ho a me ana mafoka na me coach adi ho na me recognize on say omo no ye coach penifo saa de na ni all this time nti wo bi
eno ensema ko Bashir Hayford ede etudwa yese do amanfo so na yakaya no na uni panyina due nanso ne coach saba no omo emfa empanyimfo no ho na no akire buza se coach to wadaruma na dienti ena se Ghana ye clubs yi omo kopie mu Africa performance so aya na enkoye yentemu aya osade mai
doso minia and just one answer there say answer any because it is management board technical team, players, and even supporters. Now, will be a contribution. Can be? Oh, Michena. So what I'm saying is that you must start to the sense, and then coaches who they are easily manipulated. Say, you are okay. You wait, and I'm so much to say we give up a bounty. Say, I don't know what can I hear you cry. Or no, I'm not one yet to know. And sa interference and manipulation there. Say cost sad because one who be say I say coaches are hired and fired. I'm say coaches are hired and fired. If you tell on ya that will fire only firing taking part. I do fire because coach they are fun and they are fired. We another person will come and start. Now so are fired. Another person will come and start. What do you want to achieve? Success is not winning, If you win the match and then you are successful. Success is when the team has been grounded very well. Strong team. What they bubble in the so also consistent. Injection about 1 or 2. No, the injected team no. Now you come. Now consistency. May I
know I am some coach Bashir Hayford edi to yanim ene full time dwumadie so abra eni edidi nkoma na enu achi no yenko ne ene Black Stars player ye fe no eye owuref fata Ishaku eso edi nsembia tudwa ne nyina no se o sese de no kra ne nyame anim ne o gidie mapa draw na sese o hwa Sporting CP oni Tottenham boy no se no Champions League obobi on ebe Marcus Edwards na yan
Actually, this game was a big game, and I'm so happy to be part of this game. And it was a dream for me, and actually it came true. So I was really happy and ready to play. Are you?
And no Black Stars player or Portugal Edma Sporting CP and Champions League UEFA Champions League and Obamu Ebe Bobby Abra Tima or Bodimo Sporting CP in Tottenham a ball 1-1 and Walker said draw no or Cassin and Ninya no boy watching them answer Black Stars or you say walk up we day na yen training in from or say oh and Kabum pair of Black Stars team no Ebe Mama walk up on Mukui Jomo de Bebani.
I have so much belief in our team, and the unity is so much. So I think with the team we have, I think it's going to be a good team together, and I think we are going to make it together. Thank you.
Eno ensama odi tudwa se owanije pa ni nyina no se ohwe Black Stars in kabum ho no ebema World Cup omo kono ombetuma akobo brapa e dia moman Ghana na yenwura mo the Black Meteors under 23 team e Ghana ha last weekend omo kopie mo Mozambique eko ball e qualifier eno eye CAF under 23 African Cup of Nations no qualifier no mo kobo e mo kodi nkunim second leg no ebeto so e wo Kumasi Baba Yara da eye kwasiada eno na empanyimfo trans no omudi gate fees na aba opiem a kwasiada o kwa kwotwe say na nhyene popular stand red and green seat no ho ye 10 Ghana cedis and a center line babia ye yellow stands no ho 20 Ghana cedis VIP wings 40 Ghana cedis and the main VIP 50 Ghana cedis enti say Baba Yara no watch so say e-ticket and say e-ticket and ye use and answer over dial star 711 hash let's what to e-ticket na bibia kama star 711 hash na what dial options na beba no follow no to take it kama na bibia so akoye bet power Premier League there's Ashgold Adaroma league no echo suspension say league no after court tenase no wama kwan say Ghana league ensamra na otwawe todwa officials on be ginama twairem no big games no empanyfo do mudi aba wohwe Hearts of Folk any bibia ni Gold Stars referee Emmanuel Tampuri and empanyfo appointing as a gamer ebeto the Hearts of Folk no bibia ni Gold Stars Emmanuel Tampuri enyinam na onhwema game enkoso Kim Faisal any Asante Kotoko Monday anwumre eno eye Emmanuel Otu center referee empanyfo this game no eso de man say Emmanuel Otu emegyinam no hyen emabia enye kama wohwe Tamale City any RTU game no so no Mohammed Misbah center referee empanyfo appoint no edi dwumadie no eso edi amano no game no so ebeto your bed power Premier League no nso atreman ene Kerala United no Gabriel Opoku ahen ena omudi sa dwumadie no eso edi amano to so far some of the referees are bet power Premier League match day 4 Esha said na watwi awie yomba ginam atwairem ene yedo mo nsem eso edi amano owura friend of sports Messiah akomia atenase ewo ha mame chance emfi no Messiah boko de
nyame adom luta bibia de dadin yes bibia de
ene daya wada
yes of course ene daya wada na ubo tuado voice bi ene ni video bi akra na the edikan ebetimi abusa ho as Ghana fo nyina na yese free emra ekopi mu World Cup no your performances no before the World Cup no na your quality to say and you could run into the World Cup no dedication ben ene akoma pa ben ye de could run mu etimi me choke the success in Sakai and at a point in time no you drew the height and the peak of Ghana football especially Abre qualified for the first time to the World Cup in 2006 before 2006 the qualifiers throughout GDB team nim because Samir Jemo performing, Matthew Amo performing. Asamoah was not even a starter when it came to the qualification matches before the World Cup. It's not Matthew Amo the Debiani catching is on the do qualification or your top. And we're coming into the World Cup from a disgraceful AFCON ayekonya ewe Egypt. Sompa Zimbabwe and Senegal group. I question JCB for JCB. Yes. Baba Mando Mumie Koya, Yekoya Bae. Before the World Cup in 2006, that's the GDA no form kakra. One, in terms of your preparation towards the World Cup, because you're quite AFCON Akugu and one master, but qualify say body, but man for GDA or tournament ni more form. Then number 2, in terms of star players, and near war mu team no. Now man for GDA is as Baba Mando Mune Samir Jemune Durume was said your musin chain your fanko for the World Cup. Yakwaku PM World Cup. Yakobo first game against Italy. The level of Enumguase and Setimika against Italy. Especially Samuel Seko Foko chair that particular back pass. The next game we saw Habib, we saw Sheila Iliasu, Hansedu Sape, John Pinstel, Anthony Annan, Stephen Apia, Haminu Dramani, Mike Lasian, Sulali Muntari, Asamoah Jan. Among my top level performances, it was not about individual players. Luta what's the mention Arsenal? Nenye individual players ne determine your success in 2006. It was a team effort. And you're building upon it for 2008 AFCON. Then coming into the 2010 AFCON and to the World Cup no. Oba only say yenya a certain level of quality be omu free than a 20 p by. And at 20 a hu ye no not the day you performance or there. Income performance or there. But it was not also an individual team. Na a team effort. Ransford say Dominic Edia and you promote your munadium with Dodonadium room to the senior team. The senior team the near Kofra Kevin Prince what team munina so member Bwani and Bobby. After 2008 AFCON, your boy Cameroon ebe nyoma pasabi e okroma say no. So replacing the likes of Antoniana na the Rabiu tato. Who replaces Sulali Muntaria? Who did the day you na tareto? Asamoah Jan still no jina na so we no sir. During 2008 AFCON, Krani Paul J. Henry Junior Gogo.
Mekaipa.
Yamen Fanny Krans ye.
Yes, our tournament in a drew baby and Samoa Jan Christ and Kofi Kampakono.
Yes.
My president could fall by then.
A bem. Asamoah Jaba. 2010 year bo. Koja Samoa a new player Baby room into the system. Yentimi and Yala Kinsin. That means we are literally building a new squad from the 2008. But look at the transitional phase. already now Harrison and Samuel Nkumanya the kind of experience they need from under 20 and into the Black Star proper. But Echo World Cup ni na no be anim say any individual the same thing now about team effort. Team quality. So Black Stars have always strived on team quality from 2006 deba, not necessarily on individual qualities alone. And on Chese Asia no nyade. And on Chese Sule Muntari no nyade. And on Chese Samoja no nyade. And on Chese Koja Samoa no nyade. But of the individuals in this one ma omo ye good idea but ade duru animu pa in these tournaments, especially at the World Cup, was the team effort and the team quality on and off the pitch. United front. 2014. Near quality and I say near quality in terms of players. Near quality.
You be pa.
Open so who say near quality in a game. For example, that game against Germany. And I won't say individually pa. You for player, not quality. But I didn't go say a whole team. Team you need quality in a way. On and off the pitch in terms of character. And the quality never first so above my bet me success in a way. Na yera. And you could go when was 2018 quality young qualify.
Russia.
Young qualify. So this opportunity I for the World Cup. No. The first question Amibu say when he said, do we have the quality? Yes, in terms of individual players. Kudus boy. Ajax. Shebo obo.
Sompa Sports.
Enra. And also we have Fata Isha could have been medical as some under 23 on after jamo.
But Enra Champions League Obamu
still na Colomos no do money Dinketia Momboze. I didn't get Aboma Arsenal the Premier League, but I didn't get Aboma England under 21. Kono Gallagher. He was performing so well for Crystal Palace. England for free, what the Kono Gallagher call England under 21. I want to know, but when you are talking about star players, the whole team in the Joseph Edu, Ebo Celta Vigo, individual quality. On your bench player was Celta Vigo. Amate for Leicester City, Jiku for Strasbourg. There is also no Champions League in him. Shebo Obama Club Brugge, top quality. Gideon Mensah playing time this season. Baba Rahman on and off. But Tarek Lamptey. Thomas Tepate only Arsenal midfielder no mubu because our honma Omani is stabilized.
Yeah.
Arsenal bought for one say yes Pate here Juma. Baba Idris de bia Royal Mayoka. Obo. Kudusubo. The day you ninia Crystal Palace for Jordan. Jordan has been playing every single day for Crystal Palace.
And to the Black Stars coach Kano.
Individually, you were players no. But Adiama is successful in 2010. Adiama boy who in 2006, and no other questions. Do we have a team chemistry? Just a team team quality. Is it convincing?
A two who saw current Black Stars squad, we say the coach Otuado Kase, we can beat any team. No,
we have the quality and the potential to beat any team. But realistic, individual players quality yes. Yaki ko mabom na ya bringing the best out of the whole team ni na ma na ye ba ko no ye betimi ana eho ana questions in the page no
nti o kano kwa
enye so o kano kwa me asem na o kano me woni shoes no me ka the same thing because of the kind of players he kutaye. I won't lie to you.
Okay.
You were players. Obi abeka say any players bia no me you were players. I'm saying this, you were players. But GDS team ni nyina betimi akwa deliver no. And one year because players here kutana nye hu ball na yebo no. Players are Black Star kutano. And nye hu ball and yebo no.
Enti ebasa na hwan ye blame no.
Ebasa, it is you your coach job to make sure so be finding the cohesion and the balance. You need to sacrifice. You go 2010 World Cup. You sacrifice Sule Muntari. For the day you. You sacrifice the likes of Ansedu Sapemune, John Prince Timunina for the likes of Samuel Kumuni, all those players. You sacrifice Stephen Appiah for Kodia Samoa. So you sacrifice players for others to come instead of being the right balance.
And the quality wise, Okas Black Stars one, and the coach in the to Jan say, Connor say, Manusi Sumasu, and Timmy Uncle ya. Young for San Sama Oka way and Jajana.
Of course, because maybe a team who plays a Kutae. Why would him say play away or form? Would the play away partner will ever bring out the best out of this? Yeah, I think channel. We back just only boy in me. And would it be also so to China? All jokes aside, realistically, And it's not these players go to their clubs, their coaches do things to bring the best out of them. But national team, than be before. What did they mention? The French national team, Kylian Mbappe, what Paris Saint-Germain, position about the French national team, it doesn't change. Giroud, it doesn't change. Benjamin Pavard, it doesn't change. When you go to the Spanish national team, Pedri by the Pedri go about 10. And answer by force. Yehuni say, I was at the Biano, Yama Busquets Bontine by hook or crook, Pia, Yabe maneuver, be not position. No, when it is your position, you play that particular position. When you play that position, it's about Chroma said here. Especially your game my ball etia Brazil. Jordan are you or Crystal Palace? You're any Jordan are you is not a left winger. Jordan are you both free the right wing, not Refred Zaha. I both free the left wing. Oko Renea, Kamadin Suleiman. Oh, both free the left wing in Edeba. But you go to Brazil, coach is there be. Wo Kamadin Kobo right wing. Jordan are you Kobo left wing. No, how does this work? You know, say Kudus in the best position, Paya say, oh, but as a number 10 or as a force 9. Kudus by Becca to say, 8. Kofitre for St. Pauli. And Sakran Obe movie akwa Freiburg. And also be her Freiburg game no. O her Freiburg game na be a Kofi Chirebo. Kofi Chirebo as the second striker number 10. Bobo Kromo say by force Kofi Chirebo 8. Obinti na na wontono. Afina ga boy nyina na no say na Inaki Williams. You see Inaki Williams in both free rings in bra. But that is not how it is. Get the best out of these players or the whole setup by playing each other in each other's position. Best position. Best position. But utu abasa no two way anya sa ya kwa ya de anim do say minim say of versatile players are utimi switch ma tactically timi fama. But it is not all players that link and a team improve such team. Ya hu bi Ghana what try anfa make sure say individual quality players no. Look, I'm telling you, if Ghana should get the best out of these individual players as a team, quality na kuta players me find individual come na bomb. Near bringing the best out of them as a team. I'm telling you, Luther will be a threat at the World Cup.
Me da say akumia why adwuma bebre dia mame nko Michael Asare bodu ho na ono so meni eni nkomo Mickey Boko de
Luther yam yadom na so
Black Stars coach na e dia betu dwa o ze de all can say Black Stars team no e bitima shi team bia e bitima show bia na me busa say we have a competitive team
yeah
e bitim dia show bia secondly baby there was a could no she team ya we betima kwa kudro
interesting one you see Otuado a team ni coach you know he's much more like an ambassador for the team intikase be pf nenuma ba no e wo say kase she nkran ensem na kan ya wo boy ya TB yesanso hwe video no Luther ya wo akan kase bi ye kase obi enu hode ne nsabe kum kire ne hefie good obi ama men kwan so ye den eyede Otuado emma me interview ma me kan chezo team na nkasa nyenti Ghana for na montoma adwem ana munyi ma adwem free team ne so e wo say kasa be hye nkran no ka wi a ne yeso yatena se na yade ne kasa na okan ne numa asem no ye biem ne ahwe se e wo se yedidi dwuma ana se yede bibi to yetrim se yenyi ya adwen kakra free eye Ghana ye World Cup aye ko so you see World Cup no eye tournament ye wo nyome bia ye debo se nyoma be koyi ama we koyi ba ko ye quality mienu eye experience miensa eye strategy sa nyoma miensa ya mbobo din no unye mu mienu a you have a good tournament unya miensa na you get a near perfect tournament Ghana kwa ye ko ne ye nkwasi quality experience strategy ma be bubu matchel now sa nyoma ya maken quality. What determines quality? One, a football no sa wo born e be kon kan e be peja. You need to play to a certain level and play and do what you do consistently. Me kan sa na say born na wo born. E was wo koso aba de fratwede nti wo be sha ase wo Ghana ha. From the Ghana Premier League you are moving to a top league. Into top league in Africa you are top leagues. Europe so you are top leagues. Into ko remo top leagues na Ebra ben na wobo into 2006 year World Cup no near was Steven Apia no abo Italian league neither
Then no din quest war a year Turkey. Yeah, war a year Michael Essien or bought the English Premier League for Chelsea. No, I bought the French League so. Or bought our Champions League in him. Yeah, was Samoajan who had tasted Italian League experience plus a year the French League experience. We are no free more Sule Muntari our rich experience our Italian League in him. Now, sir, competitions now me bubo body and no more bono. And on the bois more munya quality no because semenia kumia kushia na kumia ni mbopa mesunya ba kumia no mi ensebi woni ho. Meme bo na makwa kobetia no obeyi sinto bi edi. Ah, mekofie na makwa correct. Ema me ye better than I was. And on that didi mu ami nya quality. So when you tough competitions, when you top competitions it does not bring the best out of you and it does not make you quality. And the players here they call World Cup say, do we really have quality? Luther, answer ne akaye kakra.
Akaye kakra.
Ghana co tournament with top players. Ye players ekwe. So woka se wo bobo top players e wo mu a. Menya sure se wo benya emonson anadu. And World Cup now me can say uhia quality no. You need quality in every department of team. Goalkeeping, defense, midfield, attack. At least uhia one quality in every department. Your goalkeepers are there kono. None of them and a quality a match up to the World Cup level. Goalkeepers are one as a stance. You need a certified number one na Ghana for the array in action. You say wait dear or woman nkwamu obeje Ghana. Jojo Wallacott or justify still say he needs to be the number one. Onye the certified number one. Richard Ofori elbow kokoko. No the previous number one. Injuring T Jojo Abefan the position. Fine be Abdul Manaf Nuruddin. Chairman there, me money the lawyers at Tizigi. Until we have a goalkeeping issue, you need a top goalkeeper. Yeah, they call World Cup. Now Ghana team is a team where you better consider chances pa. Until we have a very good goalkeeper, or be boy a course. Your team no, young World Cup no conquer possessive game. My teams no enya kwine on me attack here. They will attack us at the counter. Omo bomb and sanwa no more ba. Omo bomb and sanwa no more ba. And rich, you see, and Brazil, you want the way sit here. We will keep conceding chances. So we need a top goalkeeper. We are about defense. We need a leader, somebody who commands. Dear Eboa, Emma players be to say Sheila, Iliasu, or Mutimi Bobo Nibi, is because they have experiencers who coach them on the pitch and off the pitch. Off the pitch, no, Sami or Psycho forward, or Betnet in the Kakra. On the pitch, Ricardo Jinim, or coach you. Eric Addo was one of the technically gifted Ghanaian players. Or boss a DM, but ultimately boss a centre back. And your defenders say we centre back see. Can we say with no shade of doubt to say there was a quality nibi more they can help those who are coming up to also cement their status in the team. So in the defense, no quality. Midfield maybe a Thomas Partey, but you're no free massa. Partey has proven that in as much as we are so good or you're injury prone. Any more there, any time about a because we don't have any quality attacker. You need quality or very good attackers. They say Naki Williams money idea, but we don't have a quality attacker. They call World Cup. Kudus is not quality. He's still a talent. I feel no, but we see your hype players. Your pejemwa Kudus a top talent.
Okay,
I can't kakra. Tina ya steam no bemunde ochina not bench. Obemunde ochina not bench. Too much is ni. He has not played from the start. It's a team inequality. Then experience. Experience, no, you need one for the team in terms of the playing body and then for the technical team. Experience is also gained by playing competitions. 2006, before Siabekono, Niako 2006 AFCON Akogu Yenimase, we drew a tournament experience from 2006 Egypt. And the other core World Cup, no, we improved.
Just by say you know.
Yeah, so the painful experience, no, coach I know that I know. It's not Plavi. This first Serbian coach or they qualified.
Sompa Sports.
It didn't escape me. About me
Dukovic or
Yeah, Ratomer Dukovic. Doya. Or the Eko Afcon. Ankoye. Ye boneti pa. We corrected our mistakes and went to the World Cup as a better team. 2010. Milo, the Eko ball Afcon without any key players nibi. So build the team ni up. Edun under 24 ni rim and then you call World Cup. Tournament experience. 2013, you call Afcon ne Jiguyen. We did not really learn lessons and then administrative issues. And so be di. So oko tournament be kofa experience free moi. As a coach, a boama would take certain decisions. Friendly matches yeah. But friendly matches no unyane te said ya wo bo another tournament before the other tournament. So Otuado any tournament experience with Ghana. He doesn't have it. And he one. Chris Hutton, a very experienced or club level, but he has not handled any national team tournament before. George Boateng, brilliant young coach, Onusunibi. So your three coaches, the technical team they lack that tournament experience. Maybe Didi Dramani, but also do anano a football. So let's get that into our head. Say your coach is no more no. Almost so IFA no more kwakosia. They are now going to learn what it takes to play a World Cup game. Omenye bibia ediobia kachiro. Nearby players so. Partey is very good, but World Cup no more be that. And I mean, last time I Partey ball any top international competition. Ne Champions League with Atletico Madrid. Obasna Europa League no ball. Second grade. So aside the Premier League nifrima, he is not facing top competition.
Sompa Sports.
Honestly, a best player.
So make it
Under you or Qatar ne a nini anomo ball. Our Assad. So your team no. We lack experience with playing body name and we lack experience the technical team. And when a strategy bim. 2006, your boy a first game no. Italy for Guyeni Mase. Omo chair say you need our experience in the double tournament say. Then we learned a lesson. We deployed our team with a strategy to bring the best out of us. Unim de near force your opponent to make mistakes. Check Ghana against US, Ghana against Czech.
Okay.
How many drama go or share no? Oh, we need ball no after dispossessing a player of a opponent Asiano. Sago no bion. Obehu Sule Muntari di or Kawomu na short bam 18-yard box. It was after a dispossession strategy. Utim no ebia wuni ahodi bebre wuni experience bebre. But how do you get the best out of your team? 2002 check Kwanya France fast so the Senegal fast so they share France. So tournament no was strategy e be there set piece. Set piece no. Also on your ball no share down boni gidi biasa. Ba corner ba free kick ba obenya go wom. To be defend the obeya one counter attack when ya corner e go. What is our strategy? Your team now one then bang the womb. How do we get the best out of our team using our best players available? The coaches no. Ejuma kese na womo and to say our team they can beat any team. Maybe he has the best strategy. We might not have experience in terms of playing body. We might not have quality. But I will not sit here and doubt Otuado if he tells me that our strategy or the way we need matches. Because with the best of strategy, even the underdog becomes the winner. Ukita strategy far. We underdog. We need team na ekobon. We dey from cry. Now strategy ne can ne ye juma. You can prove to be a winner. Anything some shocking results in sports history, not just football. Shocking results where they one down so die. Na poto yi Manchester United the film. One down so die na Ajax abegu Real Madrid the name say. One down so die na Olympic Lyon where Juventus the film. The story of the underdog. If we have a very good strategy, we can also write ours. Our World Cup. Never say never.
Make one yini say per education awodi amaye. Blasters coach pen some of Sunday to get pressure and on quality amano.
No pressure. You see, it is much more about this. Or can a papo or can a bonio still pressure bebano. Because Ghanaians are very much passionate about football. You need the football in it. Yakume rem Into Otuado Beka say Ghana for Montumadu na tournament na Korean Konkoya de Papebia. Still Ghanaians will not be pleased. And Otuado Beka say Ghana for tournament na Kono, Monfa Meninfantu Yeswa. Still Ghanaians will have issues. It's your Bekebiano because a new Blasters team no unfair pressure Antonio. So and as a coach, you must even learn how to work under pressure.
But I say, I know Michael Asari, Bodu, and our ten and Cano. Ricardo, Mamma Kakram through one, San Marco Papa.
Oh, Luta, say, I said, now Mr. Bodu can there no one work on the Jumana no I know. But no Casa say, see, bit much teams I hold on a Cassia Vesho Mona. Do now in coaching as well.
Sentin Wabekano.
Because say, yen tournament ayakono, ye need the best of squads I deco tournament no. By our coaches, I know to me the best out of the players here decono. They deploy them very well in a park in this one. They give you exactly what you want on the field of play. Now my gun yet wins and yet me. Because the 2006 we ran here Czech Republic no. Here team better than Czech Republic. But we had manager Tukovic, he knew what he was expecting from the players. And no diploma here on the field of play. They delivered and got him there no here on the field of play. In Ghana, enya win. Over 2010 yen team had call ye was South Africa. Yen team ni yen the best of squads. But ye gramwa yen coach when him say this is what my team know na ho den tie. Enti say make for na ho den wa and no kwasam say Ghana recently yen team no make for na ya na ho den gina. Enti say ultimi pack ho na ultimi make sure say the attack by yen team no ultimi enso resist now nya quality center for then time the shape of Samojan obo bia gu nanso you trust him say he will give you that one goal out here to qualify now no makoye dem ayen. So today baby ejina no sa teams na de call yen World Cup no ye ni sa players ni biem yen say ni sa coach obetima deploy players ni on the field of play atrom the kind of tactics omu here to win games enti kasa na de obeka so be catcher man for na Ghana for nya gidie wo mu. But you get to a point in time, kasa ne be yam frama. You have to show working. Park and no eze jumadi no koso. Because your board premier start here. Sa kasa no. Ghana for mfa nya hwibiem because they will be expecting say Ghana benya win and so World Cup ayeko. Into no antena se na ohun say on the field of play. Players ni bi wo ha. Omu gina ha no mutimi bo. No me effective. Tomba national team ni mo amemfa omunko no munko ye adwuma ne man. So timi kokoye ni sa Ghana for ebeko yebeko games ni bimim enye se ekoji World Cup no yebeko akọ perform ye but se wonya ne tactics ne right ha e yade ebe ha adwen because so when the game of boy ma Ghana for be na gini too ma it was against Nigeria yebo Nigeria no a lot of people were talking about the quality Nigeria team they possess but me the portfolio a strategy that was able to make some of the quality players in the Nigerian national team ineffective the Ghana qualification you know. So bet my side and am a World Cup na Ghana for bet dana sibe bre na djuma ne kasno kano we koyi edamai na coach Bashir here for the case and for the teams nanim team keep that consistency coaches na hono coaches na kasa in recent times they don't keep consistent performance. Some of what won the 5 or so trophies for House of Folk but the more the bonnet is saying ntino as much as teams ni nyabo tremfa mom no coaches na ngasa how many times mo say Ghanaian local coaches no be 3 consecutive seasons teams of board mapa you have this coach you know Sadepa he won the league now when no hefa they don't keep consistent performance into months they should look at themselves in the Renal Drew said o mo mpanifo no ho no kono akwaji afutu kaka na ma entwati mako
when you say na pressure from the management no e kan be ya coaches no so na ya na
enu nti na ese coaches ni bi ho company for no ho no because tie na sema na waka no so no pom no teacher ni kwa kwa kire na de into gidi ese adwuma no so wo ye ni yie o ma wo me enka yesei na wo wi a wasan ka se wasan nduro betima ye adwuma no but that time no na coaches no judge man dey show mo nsa no mutimi ye no agency player no selection bi in favor of no mo bi a wonya by currently yen coaches no uja team chen say onye bibia mfama wo a but we have 4 team no mpe
but I say Ricardo Varas and out in crime I'm call Papa Poku Papa
Shaman
boko de
nyame adumo aso
nyame adumo krekram awie nsem bebre gubama so
nsem ne dem so timu ya no krana na Michael aka no nya fe na ye be chim no ana sa obe ye ne bibi gino kretum na say ye ne sa boy nyina ma obi ahto no so say adwendwen enkoso the most important player in the Ghana team till now is still Dede Ayew.
upon say obo
fa bibia to nchen so so hwemu a ebre twemu a yeko pm Brazil 2014 na yebo World Cup no why na na ka team no ho a oda so team no sese now I 4 years before that yebo 2010 South Africa why na ka team no ho a oda so ka team no ho sese ya active part of the team did are you 2014 no do any fema na say ni Jordan are you abeka ho ntino opel you would have to accept it for what it is say and the Ghana na on here and now the day are you ni Jordan are you no are the most experienced and the only proven players at the World Cup level. The day are you the nya Samoa Gyan Kran Kameka say he's our best player at the World Cup since no matter what you say about the day you Ghanaian players on my World Cup no year Samoa Gyan free wa next on in 2010 the day you was contesting for young player of the tournament together with Thomas Muller
or South Africa.
Yes.
Sompa Sports.
In 2014 he had grown and matured into a player who was willing to take responsibility to actually go not and say bonebo me na 2018 he qualified and then 2022 our most important player is on his way down. They didn't carry on. Wabo, Ashase, Afefe, Apeja, Epiki, Nikarian, AC Nitrase. He is our most important player. Ninuya Jordan are you? Sir, he's also become one of our most important players. Not because Ombitman Mayen Yepe Nemum, I be that for more team. No. Now you go back to 2010. Time I started a transition. When who possessed Stephen Appiah near nothing a bench. When who said Michael Essien plenty or my World Cup nibi. Nations Cup and Ivory Coast first match no when you're injury. Knee injury. Yebo qualifiers against Libya. Ufi Chelsea benya ACL. Into yebo 2010 World Cup no South Africa. Ye midfield 4 now. Ni ye GD man broso Lai Kenson, Muntari, Essien, Stephen Appiah. Emu 3 normal started just after 4 years. Matthew Amwa so na a key man in the 2006. You call Malice on the Samoa and a DFM. In 2010, the World Cup had given us Antonianan Asamoah Gyan leading the attack, but Antonianan replaced Essien. Sule Muntai was in his element. Yehu de da you then near Baba who Kevin Prince Party. And I could just Samoa. Ti team no na asesa Samuel Nkumbe Bobby Liadi Mube Bobby 2006 na Shela Eliasu ene Osekufo na ba akwa pe John Mensah. In 2010 ye koye no John Mensah was a starter na Isaac Vosa and Abesho Adukwe Papo ene Eliasu Habib ano working price Habib Mohammed no mo free ho at the left back. John Pencil was still there. But Hans Edusape had come to take over. Inti ohwe na a team no esesa efefe necessary. By 2014 we had phased out a lot of the 2006 boys. Even Sule Muntai and Michael Essien were in dim status. Oh yeah, team Jonathan Mensah had come to play. John Boy had come to play. John Mensah was dropping off. It's a bisa se Ghana team na nka se wo ho no. Matiti nsem ni bebre Michael Foni mi nuka. Na yen no yegina hin betima fa from start.
So Bishop Tiene Bema you coach betima ba bonta.
On na ni omo ye adwuma. And obi no ode ni sabe nkum kire ne papa fie kwan. Nti I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Na me atade me ka kire mo say the reason why I'm not motivated to go for this World Cup is that ye nya ade. Nemum kasa ye beka after say ye nya ade no ehun be hia yie. Inyaki Williams were this saying. Tarek Lamptey were this saying. Edin Ketia any hearts no doya airport already saying. Young players no have another opportunity at the next World Cup. Yemu be arguing as be the number of people who would go. It is all qualified we are. Ebe so them. Next time we qualifiers ni say obe sa qualify bim. Name me atade me Black Stars be Cote d'Ivoire 2024 January. me da doma match day na ma fa bus
Now ko.
because me ogidi say Black Stars eho e na ebe hu asha ase efefe ni 2 years time na yakobo 2026 World Cup no nti ni ebe ye no Cote d'Ivoire no en na ebe che say team na epijana say bi say yakọ abrocha kofa players aba no Cote d'Ivoire na Nigeria na sha ase che eja yen ba yakobo World Cup omo mobi Wilfried Zaha Jeremy Boga Sebastien Aller Willy Bolly omu nyina Cote d'Ivoire for players akesi omu mobi omu tifie iwobi akinkumi amo hwan Osimhen enti omu tifie na emom omu de ya obeba afcon no yen ebedu oni ya ready ana. And if you look at the World Cup critically, I will say it's serious. Enti ne yebesre se Ghana kona ya na a players no maboball together na do saying. Enti wo ti we ya oni kasa kamen wo gidi say ya to Ghana ejina na ya to Germany ejina Germany no ma saying wo gidi say wo benya gidi say e be hwon.
Yeah, say per the coach.
And no na ho na asem ni nyina wo be anywhere wo de nsa benkum be che na jafie kwai.
Nti Black Stars should need special weapon be they call.
Weapon na nke hia na teamwork. Modern nyina no. Me de kakra ba, o de kakra ba. Look, I mean teamwork is everything. So me ha, na so me ha. O twe ha, na me so ma twe ha ba. Ye pie be ko. Ntini yensom ni emfa teamwork. Nya me nu kwani team a half striker na e friend say po. Prince Tego. Omo nyina team be bremoni Samuel Nkum. Unhu po say problem o baby. Ye call South Africa no. Na Prince Tego bo 7. Samuel Nkum so team be bo 7. You don't see anything. The here and say a bekan ho abom no bi aye na adwuma aboa sanko yi a e me di atem ye modern mon baby edru no e wo form ye players no so ambo mo wanche
Me da say ma yem fancy ana yem ma afrefo no so emra mu kakra ya bie ya homa na to mu betimi afre Edward Dwenchira ba number ne 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 my first caller. Hello.
Hello, Open Cassie.
Yes, sir. We didn't be free.
Mamincha at Bishop Atapuku, a Roman father, Open Cassie. Engineer Pablo so dream was on in Chakatam, Namsacha Mark Christopher Damina. Open Cassie. At some nana Atapuku canoe. A two tournament here, Yako wake up now, share my Christian. Now, rest of your now share a Jimoa. That team and you can get some more money without your prayers now. The party. Now they set up prayers with power. Now, every 4 rounds. Me minima adia o ma fo mu tirimu mi ro ma fa da me hu adia fe president wo fa no ni ku so afori o mu ko pesika no wo aba o mu ba wi aro maka say ya anya de eti coach no afu da won ko na kisruit enya duma ade no ma kisruit en take an for timu no mama ma otu ado anya na assistant the goalkeeping department ko enya players ni dey wo bi how to select na this program o ma coach na o ye coach papa no en coach na o nya na assistant kala de person o catch person no straight.
Me da say ma obi so emra so bi. Udi ni ba bia free.
Ai, yes sir. For the MKT Amankro. I said about the.
About the ATO.
This is yeah.
About the online in your best sabra bi. Udi ni ba bia free. The champion man.
Or you don't have to do or adapting for Papa Petty. Now, look at a young Palawa from all other 2 foot and himself. You can show Piano wake up. Then I know that is how. On Sunday, the 5 boys are waiting. Or Mokona could you cry and himself. Your team not going to do the kaka. Oh, what player Some brother more here. Follow up and get any kind of my case in point. And wow, but you are all up to cry a bush here. And yes, so show ya. Or corner say ya, the bona passo. I know you should I see another channel. Why I say out of focus to say, need me best party. The say I'm not about the visitor there. You supported the 5 body say, you don't find the results in the back. Results now, my to carry what in Munu. Sabeka, by results with them, you said the Azobeka. Look out, only Yamina.
Medase Oyibo, and Phobi Swaha, Udini Baby Afri.
Okay, you also free.
Oh,
the tennis, your friend said 2006. Your call World Cup, African Cup, Zimbabwe, year film. By a coach, Nico performing. And to the coach, Lekano, a quite be some many yards. 2010, your first match to African Cup, put the watch at 3-1. As you need to any of Fana. And nobody saying, I'm to me, everybody buy a muscle. What I said. But the tennis coach, you know, so young as you may know, could do. Your 2010, I'm going to tell you the Champions League. And so to me, Bencheno. And to the Bishop Okasa, the guy, you know, important player, no matter how they're learning again. Or you're important, or not in Papa, I will be my important player, your experienced player. Players now, but instead of the bench, Muntari, last year, we are starting from bench. We are Manchester, only we are near more map and see more opportunity. No more some cophobia, or more money, okay, to me, that must see.
Yes, so, yeah, that's say, may I receive it, my another caller. Number is 0548 931 931. Okay. Hello. We didn't buy a free.
What you have what can Ghana after victim operation? The Europe team, how the team are ready? Actually, in Ghana, from Europe, and what France, or most, but team are ready and then Brazil and Argentina. What with my eyes? But Europe team, you don't know when you must Ghana for oh, going on them. I mean, you say, consumer baby. Bye bye.
That's what Eda say. We didn't have your free.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss.
Queen, because it's about it.
Queen, me and you.
The best way assistant coach, David Oku. Many guys to me now, Mama. We need to miss her. No one more, no one left from the double side. I'm not the very good staff, which is the Nicotoko, never more. Go for my care. I will get something come on. And I almost now, we so need to be out of this time. It is the it's the academy, I made a book side, no more for you, you were found a really cash on honey. That is supported me, yes.
But I say, my last caller. You didn't be free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nyamiadum senior and elsewhere.
You didn't go for it. I to be a much whether what part you are here, Robert. I'm going to see coaching center. Look at him. I was going to try the cooker. Maybe I'm a better. As a book, you may start to leg it. But you need to buy for yourself. Over you shall money last channel. Obeti ana alaja kebe buo o do mo sa go fo ni mi no o mo ju ọkọ na sa to fo ti no ya ta ni se ni break ni e sa kwa Africa no kra no a aseme tin ti se to be na da uruma ni me bu ona se supporters ni se ka aya no ti bi na yes supporters ye ni me ye ti no mi ta ke me da so ni ya mi ye
so me da se ye be do bi ase ha na bre me kwa me di dwumadi na asi shootout ene de bre wo no e kwa na wasa de kra na waboboa no ne be wie sorry ama na minim dwumadi na to aso na mom hye no so sauti ori efre no e bishop atapokunka Michael Asaribodu